They say the past is written in stone, but what if history itself lay hidden beneath the ice, untouched, unseen, waiting for the right moment to be revealed? Welcome to a tale that begins where few dare to tread, the icy wilderness of Greenland. In a remote, icy landscape, a strange and unbelievable discovery emerges from the frozen terrain. Among the endless white, a mysterious object stands out, part of an iceberg that appears different from its surroundings. Encased within the thick ice is what initially seems to be an ancient artifact, but as the ice is carefully cleared, a breathtaking revelation unfolds. Beneath the frozen surface lies a frozen mammoth, remarkably well preserved, much like the Yuka mammoth, Sopkarga mammoth, Adams mammoth, and Jarkov mammoth, famous specimens that have provided invaluable insight into prehistoric life. This newfound mammoth, however, appears even more intact, with its thick fur and massive tusks frozen in time since the Ice Age. A team of scientists and explorers recognize the significance of the discovery and embark on an expedition to study it further. The journey to relocate the site proves challenging, with a fierce snowstorm obscuring the landscape and making the hidden secrets of the location difficult to uncover. After hours of searching, a glimmer beneath the ice, reflecting from the mammoth's tusk, reveals its position once again. As excavation efforts begin, a miscalculated strike causes a deep, resonating crack to spread across the ice. A section collapses, fully exposing the frozen mammoth. Remarkably, its thick fur, skin, and enormous tusks remain intact, as if frozen in time. Experts on site immediately recognize the potential scientific value of the discovery, deeming it one of the most well-preserved mammoths ever found. The find quickly makes headlines in science news, drawing global interest from researchers, paleontologists, and historians. It joins the ranks of other significant animals found in ice, sparking discussions on climate change, extinction, and even the possibility of genetic revival. This discovery adds to the list of unsolved mysteries surrounding Ice Age creatures and their preservation in permafrost. As scientists conduct further analysis, this remarkable find may offer unprecedented insights into Earth's past, climate evolution, and the future of species conservation. This shocking truth proves that the past never truly disappears, it simply waits beneath the ice, hiding its most valuable secrets. But with discoveries like this, one must wonder, what other unsolved mysteries are still buried beneath the frozen landscape, waiting to be found?